this right here is your first really good glimpse of the glacier right out there. And of course all this is fed by the glacier as it melts during the summer, crisscrossing these creeks that are normally flowing with water that can just swallow your truck during the summer or if it isn't fully frozen. But yeah, it's so beautiful. Why we do this. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Call this the swing here. Obvious reason. It's actually two swings. And look at the view. It's beautiful out here. Mountains. You can see out to the inlet out there. It's beautiful. Down into the valley. So what do you think about this?
I think it's pretty amazing. I love it.
You love it?
I love it.
Yeah?
I love being able to see the mountains, seeing the water, getting to see everything all nice and green.
Is that like the Cook Inlet right there, essentially?
If it's not, it leads. It's one of the big rivers, so we have the Knik and the Matanuska, and then they lead out to the Cook Inlet, and that's got to be the Cook.
It looks like a farm right there.
Yep.
That's beautiful stuff. This thing is rolling on some big rubber. Mud, and some big axles in it too. Mud, and more mud. So this is our lead vehicle right here. Look at the size of that relay arm right there. That is nice and beefy stuff. You gotta have that for these rocks. This truck is green. You wouldn't know that right now because it looks brown. That's a green truck. This one's gray. White showing through there. We're not too muddy. I didn't go through all the same mud holes that they did. We're looking okay there. And then this Jeep right here has been all over the country on a lot of different trails. So you can look him up on YouTube at Expedition Team Wyborn. Check his channel out. There you go, Expedition Team Wyborn. All right, I'm coming back. The struggle is real right here. I don't know what place we're in just yet, but this is battling it out. my gosh, we broke, what did we break? Ball joint?
Ball joint, lower ball joint.
Yeah, he's totally off the ground. This is awesome. I'm glad you led us right here. Look at this view. The lookout. That's what you call a Toyota sandwich right here. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous out here.